Here are our bad blades. Look at these blades. Now, over here, look at these blades. These are what those blades looked like new. And this is what they look like now. This is the worst one. That just doesn't look right to me. Huh?
Doesn't look right.
Yeah, this blade is bad. It's bad, just like the rest of them. You can get a few bucks off of these at a scrap depot. We're gonna do these ones. These ones are in far better condition than those. This one, I don't know. I haven't even looked at the blade on this one. I'm assuming it's bad. Nah. It's actually pretty good. This more wasn't really used very much. Because then he got that one, diesel, that one, normal. These are bad blades. These are really, really bad. They're rounded, broken, bad. Yeah. Bad blades. Jeesh. It's a wonder it even cut, because it did this. That's what he said. Grandpa said he's surprised it even cut. I guess after seeing those blades, I am too. These things are broken. They're terrible.